In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Tinder application on a PC. This will work if you're on a Windows device. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome like you normally would. And it's a little bit confusing because obviously Tinder isn't natively built for Windows. That being said, you still are able to go ahead and run it. And that is through using the software called BlueStacks. So BlueStacks will allow you to use mobile applications and stuff like that on your actual PC. So go to the search bar, type in BlueStacks, select on enter. Go to the official BlueStacks.com website. And if you go ahead and go to the search bar, you're able to type in Tinder. And you'll notice that Tinder is going to appear right over here. So you're able to go ahead and select on it. And then from there, you're able to press on Run Tinder Match on PC. You're able to install it. And over here, it's going to give you more of a guide. So you will need to install the BlueStacks software on your PC or Mac. Then you're going to need to complete the Google sign-in process. Look for Tinder, which we just found right over here. So as you would tell, Tinder will actually work for us. And then you want to click to install Tinder. And then you should be good to go. And you guys are actually able to go ahead and use Tinder on your PC. Of course, you're going to need to run it through BlueStacks because obviously Tinder is primarily made for mobile devices. So the UI might be a little bit glitchy, but nonetheless, you guys are still able to run it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.